All right, this is the elevator at Macy's. That's SouthPark Mall in Strongsville, Ohio. Montgomery KONE. And it's here already. Let's go to 2. There we go. Here are 2. Let's go to 1. Door closes when I push the button. Hey, cat view. Just your typical Macy's elevator. Here, 1. Let's go up to 2. Let's hear that motor again. Had a feeling it would do that. Here's the certificate. Here's the phone, 2,500-pound capacity. Let's go to 1. Still running fantastic. Here, 1. I'm gonna end it at 2. Here are 2. Watch the button go out. Watch it close. And that's it.